Are you stuck in the cycle of living paycheck to paycheck? These 3 common financial mistakes might be secretly draining your wealth. Don't worry, I'm here to help. In this video, I'll share these habits and their solutions, with habit number 3 being the most unexpected. Stay tuned. Habit number 1, impulsive purchases. We'll start by talking about something we've all done, impulsive buying. Imagine this. You enter into a store to buy 1 item, but you leave with 10. Brands are skilled at luring you in with sales, temporary promotions, and eye-catching advertising, which is why this occurs. The solution is as follows. Observe the 30-day rule. If you see something you really desire, wait 30 days before buying it. You'll typically discover that you don't truly need it. A wish list is another tool you may use on your phone to make a list of items you want and check once a month. You can save hundreds of dollars a year by using this easy method. Habit number 2, not having a budget. Living without a budget is the second habit that is keeping you impoverished. You won't know where you're going if you don't have a clear financial strategy. It's like driving without a map. Because they believe it to be too complicated or dull, many people steer clear of budgeting. To fix it, follow these steps. Make use of a basic budgeting program, such as YNAB. You need a budget or Mint. These apps track your spending automatically and provide you a clear picture of where your money is going. Telling your money where to go before it vanishes is the aim. Break free from 2 bad money habits today. Control impulse spending and master your budget. Which habit will you tackle first? 1 or 2? Drop it in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more smart money tips. See you next time.